Hello and welcome back to Unit 4 Algebra 4. In this video, we will be solving some examples about the change of subject and to find the values of the variables. The question says, make x the subject of the equations. Let's take the first equation. You can see that we have two variables, x and p, but the question says that we should make x the subject, so we need to find the value of x. So what's going to happen is that we're going to have to take the minus p to the other side of the equal. And remember, once you flip sides of the equal, the sign changes. So it's going to be x equal 5 plus p. This is the value of x. Second example, t minus 2x equal to s. Now let's take the t to the other side of the equal, and since it's positive, it's going to become negative since it flipped to the other side of the equal. And we're going to have minus 2x equal s minus t. Now let's get rid of the minus 2 that is right next to the x through dividing both sides of the equal by minus 2. So we got rid of it. And now for the other side of the equal, what's going to happen is that at first we're going to have to remove the minus from the denominator, and that happens through moving it to the numerator. So it's going to be x equal to minus into s minus t over 2. And now we multiply the minus that is outside the brackets, and so x equal to minus s plus t all over 2. And that's the solution for the second one. And now we have 3 into x plus b equal a. So first things first, we're going to have to get rid of the brackets, and that is through multiplying the 3 that is outside by x and b. And now we're going to have 3x plus 3b equal to a. And now we're going to have to move 3b to the other side of the equal, and that is through flipping its sign. And now 3x equal to a minus 3b and not plus, since it's moving to the other side. Now let's get rid of the 3 that is right next to the x, which is through, of course, dividing both sides of the equal by 3. So 3x over 3 equal to a minus 3b over 3. And so the 3 right next to the x disappears. And now we have x equal to a minus 3b over 3. That will be the value for x. And for the final one, we have x over q equal to r. So we put 1 in the denominator right under r, and we do some cross multiplication. So 1x, which is x, equal to q times r. So that would be the final answer.